In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to use Fitbit app. So just follow and watch this video till the end. After downloading Fitbit from Play Store or App Store if you have iPhone, you have to open it and create an account. So after creating your account, it's going to show you this page, Here Today page. Here, if you click, you can find your coach page. And also if you click here, you can find like your settings, if you wanna activate Fitbit Premium, and many things. So if I back here on today section, from here I can manage these today things. For example, turn on or turn off sleep duration, activity, and food, water. And also I can find here my data. As you can see, my steps for today, how much kilometer that I walk today, how much calorie that I have today. Everything you can find in this page. Yeah, so as you can see, the application is very useful. If you click here, you can connect your phone or your device with your health connect or with your device. Just click add, and you have to enable location, and then you can connect with. And as you can see, the application is very useful, guys. Just you have to walk, and then the steps will be content here. So guys, if you have any question, just type it down in comments. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.